Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Fashion. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some smart collections, fashionable smart collections only for you. So let me display, and all are pure handloom one. Let me display very nice fresh looks and very lightweight comfortable, based for your daily wear, office wear, very smart looks. And this one all over base part is printed one semi organza base with beautiful fine dobby pattern weaving design, self weaving design all over base with beautiful printed one, very smart fresh looks. This one is beautiful printed one and very lightweight comfortable trendy smart looks, semi organza silk with beautiful dobby weaving design, self weaving design with printed one. This one full base part is same printed, very nice looks, lightweight comfortable, and all over base part is self weaving fine stripes with beautiful digital printed one and very lightweight comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive fresh and smart looks. And this one a very beautiful one, same material, same pattern, different color combinations and print also, and very nice fresh looks. All over base part is self weaving fine stripes. This portion is pallu portions, dobby weaving with fine digital printed one, very smart fresh looks. This one is all over base part, dobby weaving with print, and this one full base part, very nice looks, beautiful printed one, semi organza base, and all over base part is self weaving fine stripes with beautiful printed one, very nice looks. And this one running blouse piece, contrast color and lightweight comfortable, and I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one very beautiful one and beautiful printed also, and bright fresh look, same material, same pattern, digital printed one with beautiful dobby weaving design work, pallu self weaving, and all over base part is bright printed one, semi organza base, lightweight comfortable. This one is all over base part is nice printed one, very nice looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part printed, and this one is self weaving fine stripes all over base with beautiful printed one, very nice looks. And I will suggest this heavy brocade work silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. This one also same material, same pattern, different printed and color combinations, very nice bright looks, based for your daily wear, office wear, very smart fashionable looks. This one full base part self weaving dobby weaving design all over base, semi organza with beautiful printed one all over, very nice looks, lightweight comfortable trendy fresh looks. And this one full base part, very lightweight one, and this one is full base part is beautiful digital printed one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very elegant looks, bright also. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. Very beautiful and bright fresh look, same material, semi organza base, dobby pattern weaving design, pallu, and all over base part is bright printed one, very nice fresh looks, and very lightweight comfortable, only 300 gram weight, and semi organza base soft one. This one is border portions fully dobby pattern weaving design, dobby pattern with print one, very smart fresh looks. And this one is all over base part self dobby weaving with beautiful printed one, and this one beautiful pallu printed one, dobby weaving self weaving dobby with beautiful printed one, fresh elegant looks. And this one is all over base part, nice printed one. soft, comfortable, best for your daily wear, office wear, very smart looks. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, full base part, very trendy and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart and elegant looks. And this one also, you know, very nice one, printed, bright printed one, same material, same pattern, different printed one, bright color combinations, shiny organza silk with beautiful printed one. This one, you know, all over base part, dobby pattern self weaving with beautiful printed pallu. This portion is pallu portions, bright looks, wine shade with printed one. And this one, you know, full base part, very soft one, smart, fresh looks, beautiful printed. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, full base part, very soft, lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one, you know, same material, same pattern, different printed one, and very nice looks, fresh looks, best for your office wear, daily wear, very nice print, smart looks. This one is full base part, dobby pattern, self weaving with beautiful printed, very elegant looks. This one, you know, full base part, beautiful printed one. This one is all over base. And this one, you know, self weaving fine stripes with beautiful printed base, very nice and smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, full base part, very trendy one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. Very beautiful printed one, very smart, fresh look, same material, dobby weaving, semi organza base with beautiful printed one, very fresh looks. You know, this one is full base part, dobby pattern weaving design, self weaving with beautiful bright printed one, very trendy looks. And this one, you know, full base part, very nice one, self weaving fine stripes with beautiful printed one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, full base part, very elegant one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed blouse piece, very nice and smart daily looks. And this one, you know, very beautiful one, semi cotton silk with beautiful elegant color combinations and weaving design, very smart looks. You know, this one is full base part, pure handloom semi cotton silk. And this portion is upper portion, upper border, golden zari border, and this one is border portions, beautiful fine weaving design, temple pattern weaving design with butta work, polka weaving work, very nice looks. And this one, you know, pallu portions, contrast color, highlighted dye pallu with golden zari fine stripes, very exclusive elegant looks. This one, you know, full base part, and this portion is border design, very nice one, fully weaving fine golden zari weaving border. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color, and this one is full base part and very soft one, summer friendly, trendy, smart, fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material, golden shade, Banarasi weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. In a very beautiful color combinations, very nice one, bright color, semi cotton silk with beautiful fine weaving butta design all over, very nice fresh looks. You know, this one is full base part, pure handloom semi cotton silk, very soft, lightweight, comfortable with fine weaving butta design all over base, very fresh looks, trendy obviously. And this one, you know, pallu portions, fully contrast color, highlighted stripes with weaving pattern, feather like weaving stripes design, highlighted pallu. And this one, you know, full base part, very nice fresh looks, full base part is fine weaving butta design, very trendy and fresh looks. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material Gujarati work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one, same material, semi cotton silk with beautiful printed, beautiful checks pattern design, highlighted weaving border, very nice fresh looks. This one is full base part, very trendy one. All over base part is fine checks and semi cotton silk golden zari border. And this one, pallu portions fully contrast color dye pallu with fine checks pattern design pallu. And this one, border portions, very nice looks, contrast color dye border. This portion is border highlighted golden zari lines with beautiful contrast color dye border, very trendy looks. This one is running blouse piece. And this one, all over base part, very soft one, summer friendly, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. Also in a very beautiful elegant color combination, smart looks, elegant one. Let me display very nice one, fresh trendy looks. This one, all over base part, semi cotton silk with beautiful golden zari fine weaving buta design and very nice color combinations. And this one, border portions fully fine weaving design work border, fully hand weaving design border. And this one is all over base part, beautiful weaving buta design, very smart fresh looks. And this one, pallu portions fully contrast color dye pallu with highlighted golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu design. And this one is full base part, and this portion is border portions contrast color dye border with fine hand weaving design work, zari weaving design work border. And this one is all over base, semi cotton silk with beautiful smart weaving pattern, very nice looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over base, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and fresh looks. Keep browsing our websites for your daily new collections update. Our website URL is www.ricepassions.com. And this one, very bright color combinations, magenta pink shade, and very nice one, handloom semi cotton silk with beautiful gicha weaving checks pattern design, very nice looks. This one is full base part, fresh looks. And this one is border portions, fully gicha pattern weaving design border, very smart fresh looks. And this one is base part, and this one, pallu portions contrast color dye with fine gicha stripes pallu. And this one, highlighted border. This portion is border portions contrast color pink shaded dye border with beautiful fine gicha weaving checks pattern fine weaving design border, very smart fresh trendy looks, soft comfortable. And I will suggest this silk material digital printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. In a very beautiful printed one, same material, semi organza base dobby pattern weaving design with beautiful printed one, very smart fresh looks, and all over base part is bright printed one. This one is full base part, very nice looks, fully printed one. This one is pallu and beautiful dobby pattern silk weaving with nice printed bright fresh looks, lightweight comfortable. And this one, full base part, very nice fresh looks, semi organza base with printed one. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one, all over base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric stripes pattern contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And this one also, same material, same pattern, different color combination, semi organza base dobby silk weaving pattern with beautiful digital printed one, very fresh and smart looks. This one, full base part, dobby pattern weaving with beautiful printed one, very trendy fresh looks. This one is pallu portions, and this one full base part beautiful printed one, and this one is border portions, and this one is all over base part fine self weaving stripes with beautiful printed all over base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part very nice fresh looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, rayon cotton fabric with beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart and fresh looks. And this one also same material, same pattern, bright color combinations. And let me open bright color. This one is beautiful printed one, dobby pattern weaving pallu. This portion is pallu portions, dobby pattern self weaving with beautiful printed one, very smart trendy look, soft lightweight comfortable, best for your daily wear, office wear. And this one full base part beautiful printed bright printed one, and this one is border, and this one is all over base part fine self weaving fine stripes with beautiful printed one, very nice and elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Also very beautiful one, very smart looks, based for your office wear, cotton slab material with beautiful printed one, golden saree fine weaving border, same material. Today I have typed different color only. And this one full base part, and this one is border portions, golden saree fine weaving border with highlighted printed one all over base part. This portion is border portions, golden saree weaving border with temple pattern print, and this one full base part, very nice printed one, cotton slab material. And this one is pallu portions, golden saree stripes with beautiful highlighted printed pallu. And this one full base part, very nice fresh look, same material today I have taped. And this one full base part beautiful printed one, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And this one border portions, temple pattern fine golden saree weaving border, and all over base part is nice printed one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and bright looks. And this one very beautiful one, same material same pattern, different elegant color combinations, very nice color combinations. This one is full base part highlighted brown with golden zari fine weaving border, and all over base part is nice printed one. This one border portions temple pattern golden zari fine weaving border, and this one is all over base part beautiful printed one, pure handloom cotton slab material. And this one is golden zari fine stripes with beautiful printed pallu, and this one full base part, very nice looks. This one is full base beautiful printed one with golden zari border, and this one is all over base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is printed one, very nice trendy looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And also same material same pattern different printed one, cotton slab golden zari highlighted border and kalamkari printed one, very smart look, soft lightweight comfortable. This one border portions contrast color with fine golden zari temple pattern weaving design border, and all over base part is beautiful kalamkari printed one, cotton slab material. And this one pallu portions highlighted fine stripes pattern pallu, very smart fresh looks. And this one full base part beautiful printed one, and this portion is border portions, very nice looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one all over base, very trendy and fresh elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric self weaving pocket work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart trendy looks. Please visit our websites for daily updates. Our website URL is www.risefashions.com. And today I have did the same material saree, cotton slab material, golden zari, fine weaving border, temple pattern, printed highlighted border, and all over base part is nice printed one, cotton slab, handloom cotton slab. And this one pallu portions, beautiful golden zari highlighted stripes with beautiful smart printed pallu, very bright fresh looks and soft comfortable summer friendly, obviously very nice saree, nice jewelry and blouse also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.